I'm ready.
Welcome everybody. You're watching the Waves of Profit YouTube channel, well, or at least a YouTube video, and we're going to be talking about day trading and stock options for March 16th, 2015. My name is Scott Patton. Joining us as usual is Alan Maxwell. The program we use is called the Wall Street Genius. You can find out more about it at www.wavesofprofit.com. Our philosophy is make an investment, make 10% on the investment, get out of the investment, keep your money, sleep at night, and have a good life. And we're going to show you every day that you could, except for, there are days that we tell you you should not, or the program suggests that you should not invest because it's a bad day. If you're a surfer in Hawaii on the North Shore, you know that there are days when you just don't surf. Surf is too rough or there's no surf. So that happens in the stock market as well. So we're going to take a look at March 16th, 2015. Alan, what happened?
Well, it was actually pretty good. You only want one trade, right? We show usually more than one, but we just want one. Well, this was kind of fun because there was actually two stocks at the same time that said, hey, buy me. So let's go look at I already hit the buy on the call button. So at 9:36, this one looks good. So let's just go forward a couple minutes and see how it turns out. So 1, 2, that's it. 2 minutes, made your money. Go home, go surfing if you can. So I hit the sell to get out, but at the same time there was Boeing, and this also had very similar kind of setup. So 1 minute, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now there you finally got paid, but I'm going to talk to you quickly. I know we're not doing training, but there was a difference between the two stocks. Maybe I'll just leave it like that. That told you that one of them you're going to have to hang on to, and the other one you would have got paid pretty quickly. And that clue is on the program, and we tell you about it. And you should be looking in this area here. The other one was up there, and the other one did better. And we talk about that in the trainings. So the last one I want to look at is from time to time we talk about indexes and trading them, because you actually can make good money with them, and there's lots of liquidity usually. So this one fit the rules. This is the index QQQ. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we're almost out of 13, 14, 15, 16, and finally got out. That took like 17 minutes. And remember I was giving you a clue about what goes on. Do you see where this guy is? Down there. So that's why you have to wait longer. And we give you that kind of stuff in the training. So if you don't want to wait for it, you don't have to. Just go get the one better trade. So as a review, there was this one. And remember, see down there? It's all beautiful. So it took us 2 minutes to get 10%. And then for Boeing, it took us 13 minutes to get 17%. And then finally, Q, it took us 18 minutes to get 15%. So if you stick to the one good trade a day and don't try to get too much stuff or go for mediocre trades, you'll be out in 10 minutes. So I showed you some mediocre trades that went well, but you had to hang around for a long time.
And it's funny to hear you say hang around for a long time, 18 minutes. But yeah, that's the thing, when you're looking at making that money in 10 minutes, that's double the time. Come on, Alan, let's get a move on here. You're slacking off.
Yeah, well, but people would like to see a little variety in what happens when you don't pick the best trade. Sometimes you have to wait a little longer.
That's right. That's right. So you don't have to wait around any longer. Just head over to www.wavesofprofit.com. You can see You can see a link there to our course, which is a basic options course, giving you all the foundation that you need in order to understand this way of making money. And we're coming out with an advanced course in the near future, which will talk a lot about how to use the Wall Street Genius, which is the program we show you here. We'll make available to you a trial version of this for a month. And the other thing I wanted to say is don't miss any of these videos as they come out. Hit the subscribe button. It's either in the top right or top left corner, and be notified every time we come out with a new video. So the purpose of this presentation really is to show you that it's possible to make 10% on your money just about every day of the year that the stock market is open. There are going to be days that you can't, and there's going to be days that it's not advisable to even try, but that's unusual. But the reason we're doing this is we're just showing you day after day after day after day. Here's 3 or 4 examples of if you got in here, you got out there. How do you know how to do that? That's what the program is for. That's what the training is for, because it's just not something that's totally intuitive. Otherwise, everybody would be doing it, right? So thank you for joining us. Head over to www.wavesprofit.com, join our community, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for joining us. Bye-bye.